It's your boy B Graham. I told y'all, man, we was coming with that box opening. But first, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and that share button. At 1,000 subscribers, I will be giving away that bag. Every 100 subscribers, I will be buying not one, but two of my subscribers lunch. You feel me? So y'all make sure y'all go hit that like, subscribe, and that share button, man. So now we got that out the way. Box opening, man, for the train. Yeah, man. I told y'all, this is my last run with the train. The last, you know what I'm saying? The last look wasn't really what I wanted. It was almost there, but it just didn't, it just didn't curl. You feel me? It wasn't there all the way. But this time around, we're going to take our time, do it the right way, done more research, everything. All the work I'm about to do myself. I'm going to take y'all on a journey with me. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to break the videos down. Man, we going in. You feel me? So, with that being said, everything that I repainted, well, that I painted the same color of the truck, like the running boards and the back rubber pieces on the bumper, those will be repainted the actual right color. That's what that is. Get that out the way. Now, this box right here. Ooh-wee. Going down, man. I'm telling you. Get ready for it. Feel me? All real gold. Locked and loaded. Gonna get all that gold stripped off and done the right way. My little, you know what I'm saying, heat shrinkers for my underglow, the systems, all that. Anything I need to wire up, throw some flex seal on it. Woo, you seen that. This the camera. We got this out the way. But yeah, we got that new joint. You feel me? With the, can you see it? The screen on the front and the back. So I'm gonna start shooting off of this. You know what I mean? Yeah. It's like a GoPro 9. Now, let's see. These right here. I know what these are. We're throwing them in there. These are for the train. Put them stars in that ceiling, man. You feel me? Yeah, we're gonna get that popping. That's 3 things right there. We gotta do. We throw these boxes away. Another box opening. Let's see. And we got 2 of these, as you see. Visors. Let me see. You see it. Feel me? Yeah. Trying to decide if I'm gonna change the color on these or not. Something to think about. Something to think about. 12-inch Rockville visor TVs. We're definitely gonna run here. That's a lot of wire right there that I have to do. this is for a whole nother project. It's to control arms and ball joints. What's this? Oh, had to order another one. The last one got wet. You feel me? The glow emblem for Tommy. You feel me? About to slap that on there. But the key to this is really like slapping some flex, spraying some flex seal on it. Because it shorted out the last one, like the wires, the lights were getting wet, which I would assume that they was waterproof, but hey, I guess I was wrong. You feel me? Another box that just came. Oh, these them stars for Ghost right there. So we about to get to that first. Gonna get Ghost out the way. You know what I mean? Ghost and Tommy. They should be done. I know I could have probably just went and got a used seat, but I wanted everything to be crispy, new. It's the new covers for the armrests and the train. They cracked, so I brought new ones. It came with two, which I thought it was only gonna come with one, which is good. Now I can just replace both of them and had two fresh crispy ones on there. You dig? We'll throw them right there. Let's see. What is this? Another little package. Oh, I do know what this is. They got this thing wrapped up good, I can tell you that. Yeah, that American bass crossover. Slap that in there. Definitely gonna get a better sound. Definitely be able to level out my sound a lot better. I got the battery all ready for the system. You know what I mean? And probably I'm gonna think I'm gonna run 3 amps. Yeah, 3 amps. Feel me? And that's it. And got the extra battery, like I said, popping already. These right here, you see them. Yeah. Fresh new ones, man. Ain't no need to try to strip those. You feel me? Trying to tape them off. They don't really cost that much. They real inexpensive, so might as well just start from scratch with these. You know what I mean? Those go on the emblem. I'm tripping on the emblem. Those go on the driver and passenger door and on the tailgate. Let's see what else we have up in here. What could this be? I think this might have came with something else. Oh no. This is the terminals for the battery that I got to run the system. So I can, feel me? This part go on the battery, and then I could put the negative, the power wires in here, and I got a second one, you feel me, for the negative, so I can do the same thing with the negative. That way, the system is getting all the power it needs, is getting all the juice it needs, even though all the lights in the truck are LED, your lights can still dim. You know what I'm saying? A little bit. Headlights don't, but Like when you got underglows and stuff like that, that will. If you don't have the proper power, which I don't right now. So we getting that together. It needs to move, feel me? To tighten up the wire in there. Put them back in there together. Let's see, man. Got them Gramway stickers, man, for the train. They go, let's see. Feel me? Go. You see it. We're gonna get them up on there. Once we get it all the way cleaned up. Another little package. These lights I ordered. As you see, they got the wire, all the colored wires right there to wire it to your tail lights. Because this light is a sequential flow light. Meaning when you hit the turn signal, it'll flow. And it comes in a pack of 4. Because 2 of them go together, even though all of them have the wire just in case you want to use, you know what I mean? But still, you'll see where I'm going to put these at. You know what I mean? So, remember these. Remember these little lights. You know what I'm saying? I'm telling y'all. Like, remember I told y'all to remember these little lights where I was going to put them out on the truck? But do something different. But do something a little different. Me and my bro been talking about doing it for a while. Then I was watching one of these car videos and I actually seen one person with it. So I ain't gonna act like I was the first one with it. I ain't gonna start like that, but probably in my city, probably so. Who knows? All I know is it's gonna look good. That's all I know. This, let's see what this is. This, more chrome handles. Like I said, we're gonna start over from scratch. You know what I mean? Ain't no need to try to re-dye this box over here. Ain't no need to try to re-dye I said re-dye. Ain't no need to try to re-gold the stuff that's on there already. We can strip it and do it again. And this is the new chrome mirrors, the covers. You feel me? Once again, no need to start over. No need to, I'm tripping. No need to go over it. Well, we can just redo it. Especially when those parts are inexpensive. You know what I mean? And like I said, I wanted everything to be fresh, brand new. This is the bottom part of the seat. This is a factory OEM. You know what I mean? So, yeah. I gotta take the old cover off. I can't just put this over the regular cover. I gotta take the old cover off and put some heat to it. Oh yeah, it's gonna get real, man. It's gonna get real. But I'm up to the challenge. This is my first time doing a makeover like this, but it's on my own car, so I'm definitely looking forward to doing it. And it's something that I've been wanting to do, so I can leave the truck alone. Ain't gotta mess with it no more. All the cars should be done within the next 3 weeks. And here goes the back part of the seat. You know what I mean? Factory. Brand new. Got the top, bottom, and the armrest. And the armrest actually came with the left and the right. The driver and the passenger. But all this stuff is for the passenger side. Yes, I could have just went and brought another seat. But I did it the ground way, man. Doing it the right way. You feel me? I wasn't trying to take no shortcuts this last go round. Because I don't want to have to go back and redo it again. You feel me? So that's why I'm telling you, it's the last round. So I can just go ahead and get it out the way. Now what is this? Oh, the Tesla radio that I had in the train. I got rid of that. I don't know. I didn't like the way I had to turn the radio up and down and stuff like that. So I brought another TV radio, but this one just like a 7-inch. You know what I'm saying? Nothing real fancy, just a little something. You know what I mean? To my likings. Let's put it like that. You know what I mean? To my likings, it's gonna sound, cause I just want my system to sound good and clear. Oh yeah, and loud. That brings us to the next. Yeah. So these, I didn't know these was gonna be this big. These are Marine speakers. You feel me? I'm not putting them horns on my car that everybody puts on their car. To each his own is all I'm gonna say. It's just not for me. It's not the sound I want. But I will also have a switch on them because these are just for stunting purposes only. You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to ride around the city and my system already gonna be nice and clear. It's just for me on the inside. But for car shows, that's what this truck really for. You know what I'm saying? But I'm definitely gonna be I'm gonna take my ride. What? Yeah, some cruise in that baby. You feel me? You tripping. But yeah, these go up under the truck, man. And they gonna sound real good. And real loud. And real crispy. Yeah. Yeah. And it's 2 of them. You dig? Alright. Yeah. Pumping weight. I'm just saying, man. I was saying, what's the ground weight, man? I'm telling y'all, this the last round with this truck. What's this over here? Oh. This right here, I ain't even gonna take it out the box. I'm just gonna show it to you. Yeah. That right there. That's that cinnamon. Yes, the inside of the truck will be cinnamon. You feel me? And what's this? Oh. Can't forget these. Look at this. I like this little box. I like this little box right here. And there's 4 of these in the box. You feel me? Before I put 1. 2. 3. And this is box number 4 in my hand. Ooh-wee. Bud. That's them headrest TVs, man. Oh my. My last run at it, man. Doing everything I wanted to do to it. This last trip. You feel me? This last trip, man. So, this clear coat. But like I told y'all, cinnamon. This the headliner, suede headliner. So that give you an idea of what the color of the inside of this truck about to be. I'm reupholstering it all, doing it all. Oh yeah. And I had to get these too. Hey! Wifey got them for me. Thanks, baby. Miss Bree! Miss Bree! That cool air intake, man. Yeah. So you know what's going on. I ain't gotta say much about that. And this box, this big box right here, y'all can't see it. That's the carpet for the train. And I got the paint. Oh yeah, I showed you the paint. So yeah, man. We got damn near everything. Only thing I don't have is the third brake light. Because if y'all been keeping up or been watching any of the videos that I posted of the train when it was done, that third brake light gotta go. You know what I'm saying? It's not all the way lit up. I could have brought a used one, but I'd rather buy it new because I don't want to have that problem, and I'd rather it be warranted, because as much as I like the look of it, those taillights are notorious for going out too. But I like what I like. You feel me? So I'm gonna get rid of all these boxes, man. Y'all don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and that share button. Man, shout out to the homie G Vegas. You know what I'm saying? We did he wanted the cars out there for his video shoot. Me and wifey blew down on him, me and Miss Bree. You know what I mean? Showed him some love. Got a little bit of, you know, backstage. How should I say it? Got a little footage for you. I'm gonna just put it like that. You know what I mean? So y'all check that video out. Stay tuned for that video. It'll be coming as well. So yeah, man. And go check out the video before this, which is the twins' birthday car show. So y'all can see some of the cars from Columbus, Ohio. Not all of them, but some of them, and see how we do them. You know what I'm saying? We got some whips out here. You feel me? I'm just saying, there's some whips out here. For real, for real. So shout out to everybody in the car world, man. All the YouTubers, everybody, man, that's doing their thing out here. I'm just getting it out the mud. Hey, it's your boy, B. Graham. Don't forget, hit that like, subscribe, that share button. At 1,000 subscribers, I will be giving away a bag. And every 100 subscribers, I will be buying one of my subscribers' lunch. Sponsored by BCB Customs. Hey, it's your boy.